On-site computer upgrades and optimization services in Toronto. Is your computer slow? Do you not have room to install new software? Does your computer have trouble starting? We can help. By testing and optimizing your computer, it can once again work at a faster speed. We can add or replace key components that can drastically increase the operating speed and reliability of your computer. There are many things that can cause a computer to operate slowly. We will diagnose everything from the software you have on your system to the hardware that makes up your system. In many cases, we can tune up and optimize your computer by removing unwanted and unused files, as well as change the files that are started when your computer boots up. We will test to see that your computer software is up to date and update if necessary. We will make sure that the drivers required to operate the devices on your system are up to date. In many cases, a buildup of dust can cause your computer to overheat and underperform. We will test and clean the hardware components of your computer. If required, we can offer you upgrades to your hardware that can increase the performance and speed of your computer. In some cases, adding memory, faster video, or migrating to a new hard drive may be the answer to increasing your computer's speed. If required, we can completely wipe and reinstall your operating system and driver, bringing your computer back to the state it was in when it was first purchased. We can also create a copy of your data on an external hard drive or move the data directly to another computer. Sometimes your computer is at a state where nothing will help. In this case, we can recommend a suitable replacement. Just like your car, a computer needs maintenance. We provide on-site, drop-off, pickup and delivery service. So give us a call and let us tell you how we can help. Call us today and we will send out our technician to help you repair your system, upgrade your system, or make an action plan to prevent this from happening again.